Oh, here we are at the Hebron Pines car show for cars 72 and newer. Just saw the famous dog Spike not far from here. I'll try to get him on camera. 55 Chevy tilt nose. Let's see. Small block, I guess. Just looks big. And 56. There's that pink 34. And here's my favorite 40 coupe. And 39.
Yeah, the road on the door. That's cute. Somebody's streaking.
It's a silver streak.
Yeah. I think that's why they did it. Yeah, it's a four-door. Isaiah said he liked the four-door silver streak better.
Yeah, that's because he can get in and out of the back. Yeah.
They got the original interior in this one.
Oh, look at that.
And the booster seat. Look at that. Yeah. Booster seat just for you, Isaiah.
Yeah.
Hello, Father and Grandpa.
Hello, young lady.
Hey, Emma, should I do that with our silver streak?
Sure.
You see what it's? You see the picture, right? What's that picture look like? Somebody streaking.
Oh, God.
They're just now getting it.
Yeah. Duh.
This is a four-door silver streak. A lot more money.
No, I don't like that. No, you are not doing that.
A lot more money. See, that's why it's cracking and bubbling.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like visors. That's okay.
I like the steering wheel.
This one yours?
It's hers.
Oh, it's hers. Okay. Yeah, we've got a two-door sitting over there.
Yeah. Yeah. This is 48. This is 41.
Hmm.
Dawn, do you want me to take her chair?
Got a whole lot more silver streaks on the side than yours.
Yeah.
That's true, yeah.
I got that. Okay.
They're in the way.
Yeah.
Well, I got some raffle tickets.
Yeah.
50-50 tickets. Isn't this what you were going to do, similar to like Fordzilla? This one here?
Oh, yeah, something like it.
It was going to be more of a fastback.
Yeah.
That was what we tore apart in order to use the frame for the...
I think I found a button, Grandpa.
Oh, that's the antenna. It's an electric antenna. They push a button, or when they turn on the radio, the antenna comes up. I'll have to put one on your Buick, huh?
Negative.
No.
Why not?
I don't want
Got that one over the top of the windshield.
you got this back?
Thank you very much. Truck, huh? Thank you.
Probably overheats inside.
50-50.
Because
Noontime, yeah.
oh,
I think that's 56. No, it says 55.
See his airbag? Remember the airbag?
It came from the Adams family.
Oh, yeah?
It came from the Adams family.
what do you mean?
New Jersey, remember?
Oh, yeah, the movie took place in New Jersey.
New
Right.
Jersey.
Cartoon movie.
Oh.
New Jersey.
Want me to step on your ankle?
No, Emma, stop it.
Yeah, Plymouth, it says right on the windshield.
I'll break some ankles.
This is a Ford.
I'll break some ankles.
33, 34.
I wanna hold
And I'm gonna let you go. Ow, my
By the
foot.
front end. I wish I had that. Yeah, the
Yeah.
Ow.
Hey,
Ow. Ow. Am I in
Hey. You know.
I don't want to break her ankle.
You know.
I break your ankle so hard you can't walk anymore.
I already can't walk.
The bad apple, Emma.
Haha, Emma.
That's why I called it the bad apple.
Yeah, it's got a worm in it.
Yeah.
Somebody took a bite out of it and spit it out when they saw the worm.
Keep going.
You can go. You can go lay down in the car if you're tired.
No.
Emma wants to call Bucky the good apple.
Oh,
No.
good apple.
I'm joking.
I know. I'm just letting Grandpa know what you said.
Yeah,
I was gonna look to see what
I
you
just
said.
thought that was a funny joke, isn't it? It's just like a 41 to 47. They had the same truck, so I don't know what year it is.
It's dark.
It's dark. Oh, there it is. Now we can see
I
it.
fixed it.
Thanks.
Welcome.
That runs the battery down faster, though.
Right. Yeah. It's just energy savings, Emma.
Yeah,
A lot of street rods in here, huh?
yeah.
Without paint and nothing. Yeah. There's a Willis.
Yeah.
It has a beer.
Oh, neat. It's got the same. Dad, it's got the same like Jeep thing.
Yeah,
You know, you're like.
Yeah. That's what I was
those
going to do
latches.
to the 48, but then somebody told me that I should use the belts. Well, I'll try it.
yeah.
I kind of.
Since I wasn't going to use the chrome ones, I was just going to use the black Jeep ones.
What is this one?
Yeah.
That is.
That's a 34 Ford 5-window coupe with a chopped top.
There you go. Purdy in it. Got suicide doors too. I love the suicide doors.
What is it with you and suicide doors?
I don't know. I just
Stop
like
it.
them.
No, suicide doors are
I
just
just like 'em.
weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're cool.
No,
That's
no,
just
Cool.
no.
Yeah.
I guess you're not cool.
36 Ford,
No,
5-window.
it's not cool. It's whatever they are.
You are not the guy who decides what's cool,
I
because
am though.
no, you're not, because you
Yeah, I
haven't
am.
you
Yes,
haven't
I
got
am.
enough age on you to know
bad.
what's cool.
Too
Obviously,
freaking bad.
you can't tell that suicide doors are
They're
cool,
not
then
cool.
you are not
They
a
are
good.
not cool.
Then you're a poor
There's
judge.
nothing cool about them.
You're a poor judge of coolness. That's grumpy.
Yeah, that's the thing. That car is for you, man.
Yeah, that's a grumpy car.
Oh wow, his windshield broke too.
But the V6.
His windshield broke.
2.4 doesn't.
It's perfect for Isaiah.
You keep.
Steering really quick on it.
I think.
I gotta finish this coffee.
What's that?
I gotta hurry up and finish my
Get in
coffee.
here,
I need two
stop.
hands. I need one hand to film with and one hand to punch the kid.
I know, right?
Punch you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look at inside.
That's a center door T. See, the door's in the middle.
Oh, good.
That's
what-
5.0 Mustang seats in it.
Yep. Looks sort of like the Addams Family Munster coach. Oh, the Munsters are a different family, aren't they?
Ford V8 in it.
Yeah.
Next purchase.
See, the center
Oh,
doors.
Wolf. Oh yeah. That's
Doors in the middle, so you can get in the front or the back through the same door.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's an old school one because they don't,
Yeah.
really don't see
What
these as
is this one?
originals. They
Oh
said-
my god. And I have to pick the one that has the
Squeeze that
freaking
puppy in
suicide
there.
doors.
Of course, that's the coolest ones here.
Nope. I like the
Eventually, you'll be educated.
No.
But as for now, you're ignorant.
Suicide doors are not good. No, I don't like
What's wrong with them?
everything.
Is it confusing your little brain that they open
They
backwards?
break the laws of physics.
The laws
Yeah,
of
you know what? The gangsters
No,
used to
that
like
was
those cars.
Aaron
you know
who
why,
broke
Isaiah?
the laws of
break the
physics.
laws
They
of
could pull up,
physics.
swing the door open, and start shooting.
Yeah, you can swing your machine gun out through the door and shoot while you're driving.
I don't think I would have painted everything red under there.
And Isaiah, you know who broke the laws of physics?
That's a big motor for that.
Aaron.
That's for sure.
Nope, you.
Yeah.
You know who smashed his candy against Aaron?
Got that on film.
Everybody's gonna see Emma's not a very nice little girl anymore.
Yeah, everybody thought you were pretty cool. Now they're not gonna think you're so cool. They go around smashing cans on people.
Look here, everyone. I'm getting abused by my sister.
Shut up.
Yeah.
No. You're
Yep.
breaking the laws of physics.
Studebaker.
You are.
No, you.
They're basically just saying.
I'm not the one who's abusing someone because of no reason at all.
Come on.
You're stupid.
It's not for no reason. You don't like suicide doors.
inside doors break the laws of physics.
You do.
No, actually, I'm pretty sure you do.
No, you're pretty
Oh, that looks
Keep
cool.
gaining weight, you will be.
Yeah,
It's a
look.
little wagon, yeah. That's neat,
That
huh?
is awesome.
Mm.
That is so cool, Grandma.
It's a little
look.
hot rod, yeah.
Someone doesn't
Little
know
hot rod
That's
wagon. He's
awesome.
recording, he's recording. Don't
That
worry.
is so cool.
Hi there, little girl.
Awesome.
I know. We ought to make one for you to drag around in.
But I'm too big. I wish they had those.
We'd
around.
we'd have to hire 2 people to drag you around. Either they'd hook up a horse.
No, what we'd have to do is make a 4-wheeler with one of those on it, so you can ride around on
Yes.
it.
Yes.
Yeah, it would have to have an
We
engine.
need to do
It would
that.
definitely have to have an engine and some really
Yeah.
sturdy suspension.
Oh
Yeah.
my God, that is awesome.
All right, where are we gonna go from here?
I don't know, huh? There's so many cars to look at.
There's too much to pick from. I'm gonna.
Yeah. Oh, there's another Mercury. And it's gray.
Oh yeah,
See up on the hill.
maybe somebody stole yours.
No, that one's lower.
Oh,
Kind of thinking it's probably not the same frame system.
oh.
Camouflage ratchet straps holding the hood down.
Oh yeah.
Look at that door. It has no handle.
Oh
Ain't
yeah.
got no handlebars.
Got no window, so you reach in and open the door.
Yeah.
Oh, that's just because it's
You don't need a
Kind of like
handle.
Grandpa's car that he's building.
Yeah, that hot rod I got up back in the garage.
Yep, right there.
But I got some door handles I wanted to put on
Yeah,
just because they're cool.
yeah.
You know, and because nobody else has them on roadsters, and I figured I'd be different. Oh, look at
Ooh,
the.
that's pretty. And that pink is really pretty.
Oh, I thought they had gauges there. Those 3 holes. I thought it was a set of gauges they could read from the through the windshield,
Oh, yeah.
but it's not. It's just
Didn't
some.
they used to do that with these?
I saw just one just recently that had the gauges on the outside too,
Yeah,
so you could see while you were tuning the motor and stuff.
yeah. That 55 pickup has one on the motor on the top of the thing. But
Right?
yeah, I'm looking for.
You guys are legit hogging the entire area. Excuse me.
We probably ought to do with the other brake system on the 37.
I'm trying to
Steel
look.
braided. You can get those from Napa.
Shoving me.
Oh yeah.
Steel braided lines.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Nope.
probably custom ones.
Nope. Don't
Hey,
let
come
him see.
on, come on.
I'm looking in and in. Oh God.
Get away from that. Get away from that car.
You guys are gonna keep pushing each other. You can go back to the freaking car.
Yeah, go.
I'm not interested.
There's the puppy again, Isaiah.
What? I was gonna
Oh yeah, there's a little
Maybe
puppy.
go over there with the puppy.
I saw some people with a little puppy.
Yeah, there's a little puppy
Look at
over
it. I want to go say hi.
there. Go say hi. Yeah, there you go. Go say hi.
Good. Yeah, we got rid of him. Huh?
Well, it ain't too cloudy now.
Oh yeah, there's the
But they didn't say when. I thought,
Yeah.
I thought you, I said, no,
They're doing it wrong. They're going in a go. They're too lazy.
Crazy Kid Customs.
Huh. Oh yeah, crazy kid.
We had that up there.
So what are you gonna put on your Buick for a license plate? You're gonna get something weird?
No, right? Crazy girl? No?
Crazy kid.
Maybe Hot Rod Girl isn't taken yet.
But you could probably spell Hot Rod Girl in several different ways anyway.
Yeah.
HTID girl.
Metro.
Yep. Drops it right to the ground.
Yeah, must be on airbags.
This is
huh?
what people probably want to do with the aluminum van, you know?
Yeah, I know. I think that's why everybody wants that aluminum truck.
Yeah.
There's a bike in the
Yeah, I
back.
know, I see it.
Yeah, number 30. Hmm.
Yeah, I think that one's there.
What?
Yeah. Everybody's lost some weight.
Is this one of yours, Chris?
No, we're all parked over on the other side.
Oh yeah, I saw them all over there.
Yeah.
But this looks like something you guys would do.
Why not, right?
No, we need a short bus.
Yeah.
We had some,
Well, I've got an aluminum one of these, Grumman, with a Ford engine.
Yeah.
That I got to put up for sale. I restored it for my nephew. He's going to make a food truck out of it. It's a 66 Ford Grumman. All corrugated sides.
So I got another one.
I've had a ton of people wanting to buy it, but I keep telling them it's taken, and now he's changed his mind, so...
So now we're all those people.
Well, I got a bunch of phone numbers. I haven't called anybody yet.
Right.
Let them all bid against each other.
And there may be some more shit that has to be done. Yeah.
Oh, look, this is Prefect. It says right on the front it's Prefect. It's not perfect, but it's Prefect.
Prefect.
It's close to perfect.
I like that version.
That's this.
I know, but I like it when it looks.
Hey, Dad, look at this one.
Oh, neat. Dad, look at that.
A lot of cars rolling in. There's Spike, the famous hot rod dog.
He's so cute. I never would have had.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
He'll be 16 in October.
Wow.
Look at his little tongue. What type of dog is he?
He's a Yorkie teacup.
You're sweet.
I knew they'd love him.
Yeah.
Hi, Buggy. He's so cute. I love his hat.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, he's.
I didn't know they make hats for puppy and
Yeah, you can go online and get them. But he's 4.5 pounds, and he'll be 16.
Holy moly, he's so old.
Yeah.
He'll be sweet 16. How about that?
Yeah.
he's so furry.
Look at his ears.
He has hair. He doesn't have fur, so that's good. We're not allergic to them.
Oh yeah,
I'm gonna go put my coffee.
I think they have like.
Hot Wheels. I think this is a Buffalo. It says Buffalo Appliance, Buffalo, New York. They made fire engines. I wonder if that's what this was originally, a Buffalo fire engine. A 47 Studebaker. I had one of those stolen out of my backyard. An orange one. I haven't seen an orange one since. Okay, there's Dave Riley's truck.
It's a 42.
It's not.
Is it a 42? Yeah, the grill's a little different than yours.
Well, no,
It's a
says
Ford. Oh yeah, it's a 42 Ford.
Huh.
Yeah, they only got one strip on each fender
Right.
instead of two.
Looks like he's got AC in this one too.
Ah,
They're all set up. Yeah, I know.
but it's got the same color paint.
It takes from the horsepower.
Yeah,
Oh, it's so wide.
He just left it gray. You know?
yeah.
Thank you.
And probably just flat gray paint anyway. So.
Either that or gray primer.
Yeah.
Look, his back window isn't all bondoed in.
I know, right?
I thought they all came that way.
No, they don't.
No, that's just ours.
There's a ginormous
Some
unicorn.
knucklehead that owned it before us. Yeah, there's a giant unicorn over there.
Oh yeah, the giant unicorn. It's not moving. I think he might be dead.
Oh my God, Chili!
Here's the trophies. They there's best custom, kids choice, ladies choice. This one's nice. And this one, time and chain, pistol grip.